Hello, XDC family, and welcome back to Crypto Ready. If you want to be ready for crypto, then you are in the right place. Today, we have got many explosive updates for the XDC community. One of the largest crypto countries has now opened its doors to XDC, and a new ad for XDC, which is mind-blowing. So I hope you will stick around to the end, as today's video is going to be explosive as usual. We shall continue right after this intro. So we're going to start off by looking at coin market cap for just a few seconds, just to explain that the weak hands are now selling and the diamond hands are now accumulating. Don't be worried, stressed, or surprised with these short-term movements. Zoom out and have a look at the bigger picture. With regulations now in, everything is going to happen in the positive way. It's only going to take a bit longer, guys. But I think this year is going to be positive for crypto, especially utility like XDC. So sit back and enjoy the damn show. Looking at a tweet from Aiko, XDC is building the rails of real finance. From R3 Coder to BIS and CBDCs, XDC powers instant settlement, ISO 20022 messaging, and hybrid smart contracts. XDC definitely isn't hype. It is real infrastructure. So once again, I am bringing up this diagram showing XDC's connections because I believe XDC community really needs this, especially the newcomers or the weak hands. Because as you see on the screen, there are too many connections XDC has made over the last 9 years. This was when crypto wasn't even known to be a thing. Even now, less than 10% of the world holds crypto, which is quite funny because crypto is the future. And a lot of people ain't gonna even know that they are using blockchain when they are moving through their normal life. But guys, blockchain is the future and you have the opportunity to be involved from day one. So if you are still here, you are still a little early because the masses haven't even caught on yet, right? And XDC with all these connections with real world utility for RWA, for trade finance, the moon is no longer the limit. But have you got the patience? Have you got the diamond hands? Because honestly, guys, generational wealth is not too far away. So huddle with them diamond hands. Talking about the biggest news for today, the XDC network is now listed on the Korean market. So why is the Korean market so huge? Well, many years ago, when Korea was involved, utility prices rose fast, right? They brought in a lot of liquidity and pumped our favorite cryptos to the top. Now, once again, something similar could be happening because the Koreans are not a small matter. As you see here, how big is Korea for crypto versus America? South Korea's crypto market is a significant player in the global crypto landscape, with a record trading volume of $663 billion by 2025, making the Korean won the second largest currency for crypto transactions after the US dollar. Do you see what is happening? Everything's being pre-planned. Many years ago, Korea was locked out of these markets, but right now they are back again. This is a good sign, guys. It's all obviously pre-planned. Korea has some of the biggest crypto transactions. More than 30% of their population holds crypto. They know what they are doing, guys, right? They are ahead of the curve. And now their money is going to be flowing back into our favorite utility tokens like XDC. Everything is pre-planned. Now Korea is coming in. Regulations are already here. The Genius Act has been passed. 2 more acts are in the Senate right now. It's all going to happen, guys. Even though they delay it as much as they can, it will happen in the end. Diamond hands are going to be the biggest winners. Moving on and talking about XDC and their latest ad with one major influencer, Nas Daily. 9 years of building, now the world is ready for XDC. And Nas Daily has shown the world what the XDC community has been building for 9 years. Fast, real and enterprise ready blockchain. The masses are now going to slowly but surely, maybe they will start to see XDC. But the most amazing thing is we are already here. We don't need to FOMO in, right? We already know what XDC is about. They are a global company based in America, all across the world, solving real trillion-dollar problems which are only going to get bigger and bigger, right? And as more and more institutions start to adopt ISO, which they have to by the end of this year, they will see XDC as the ultimate solution because they could just plug and play, right? XDC makes it easier for existing organizations to just tap in. XDC right at the center solves all their problems for a fraction of the cost, for the fastest speeds they have ever seen. Finally, value is going to move at the speed of internet because it doesn't right now, right? And everybody knows that. That's a problem. It's getting worse and worse. The traditional system is absolutely broken. They are pushing as far as they can before the real Phoenix rises, which is going to be utility-driven cryptos like XDC. So all I'm going to say here, guys, is look at the bigger picture. Do not be fudded out. And this video is going to make your day, guys, because this video has the XDC team, Atul, Ritesh. They are all in there talking about how XDC has become the chosen one over the last 9 years. So I'm going to leave you here with this video. It's an amazing video, guys. So please watch it to the end. And thank you so much for being here, guys. I shall see you on the next video.
Are you seeing this? This is a big deal. Crypto is finally becoming legal. The Senate passed the Genius Act. For the first time in 16 years, government is making crypto and blockchain legal, and Bitcoin is above $100,000. So what does all of this mean today? This means everything we do with government and businesses will become faster. What takes 2 weeks will now take 2 minutes with crypto. Just ask these guys.
Hi, my name is Atul.
My name is Ritesh.
And we want to make the world fast!
For 9 years, Atul and Ritesh have been working on a blockchain called XDC, and it's one of the fastest in the world. But this one is designed for big business and government.
In 9 years, we built XDC blockchain, which helps everyone to close a transaction within 2 seconds.
You want to buy a house or a fraction of a house? You can do it on your phone, on your wallet in minutes.
So if I'm sitting in India and I want to buy 1% of a house in Wisconsin,
Yes.
You can able to buy.
I can do that
This technology.
using this technology. That's huge.
Yes,
massive.
it's exciting.
With blockchains, you can send money to family in 1 minute. You can sell an apartment in 1 minute. You can get a loan in 1 minute and get paid in 1 minute. You don't need a bank anymore. Everything happens on the blockchain, and the government is becoming okay with it.
9 years ago, we took a big bet on this technology. Bitcoin was not legal, but now we can see all that we put together is under huge demand by governments and businesses because they know it is making everything faster.
This isn't NFTs and meme coins. This is real government contracts moving at the speed of the internet. Finally! In the future, every person from moms to ministers will use a blockchain without even noticing. It will be 100% legal and 1000% fast! Now that's exciting.